How to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and remove duplicate photos on your iPhone to free up storage space. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the Collections section, and then scroll all the way down until you find the Utilities category. Inside Utilities, you'll see different options like Recently Deleted, Hidden, and another option called Duplicates. This is the feature we need, so tap on it. Now your iPhone will automatically scan and show duplicate photos and videos that are taking up extra storage space on your device. These are basically multiple copies of the same image or video. When you open the Duplicate section, you'll notice that your iPhone places the matching photos side by side so you can review them easily. Now, instead of manually deleting each duplicate, the best option is usually to tap Merge. When you merge duplicates, your iPhone intelligently keeps the highest quality version of the photo, along with all the important details like captions, edits, and metadata. The extra copies are then moved to the trash automatically. If you want to clean everything up much faster, tap on Select at the top right corner, then tap Select All. After that, press Merge at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will now combine all duplicate photos and remove the unnecessary copies, which can free up a surprising amount of storage space in just a few seconds. So those are the steps to find and delete duplicate photos on your iPhone without using any extra apps. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.